Use OEM secrets to view pricing and inventory from over 140 distributors of electronic components. To start using the free service, simply enter a part number or order code from a manufacturer. Our comparison engine will show a full overview of the availability and pricing from distributors across Europe, Americas, and Asia. The stock column shows up-to-date information directly from distributors. You can see the current stock holding along with any additional deliveries in the pipeline. The pricing column. Use the drop-down to see prices at different quantities or enter a quantity to match the price break automatically. Find additional information from the distributor, including factory lead times, country of origins, RoHS compliances, and much more. Use the Buy Now link to visit the distributor site and place your order directly through the distributor with your normal processes.